Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all in your Secretariat Practice Class 12 Standard. As you can see this slide, today we are on the lesson number 9. We have already started this lesson in our previous video. Lesson name is Depository System. Here we are learning about the practical approach of the depository system where the securities can be kept in the electronical form. So what is today's topic? Today's topic is related to the importance of the depository system, and second one is advantage of the depository system. As you can see this slide, importance of the depository system. Depository system play a very important role for the successful functioning of the capital market. First point of the importance, it aims at eliminating the huge volume of the paperwork involved in paper or the script based system. So through the depository system, the paperwork of the securities has been removed. Second point, it offers scope for paperless trading. By using the state of the art technology, we people are living in the modern timing in the technology, so securities can be also keep in the electronical form, so it also helpful for the paperless trading. Third point, it lead to eliminate what? Storage and the handling of the physical certificate. Fourth point, it reduce the cost and the efforts involved in storage and the handling of the physical certificate. So over and all through this paragraph you can read all the point. There are so many things which has been removed after the depository system, so it is easier and it is helpful for the investor as well as to the company to sell their security and to purchase the security through the depository system. Now there are some advantage towards the company as well as towards the investor. So what are the advantage after using the depository system? First one is related to the elimination of the risk. That means the risk has been removed after using the depository system. Which type of the risk? Like the delays in certification, loss, theft, mutilation, bad delivers are totally eliminated. Eliminated means removed. Second point, related to safety, it is the most safe and secure way of holding the security through the electronical mode in the depository system. The entire system function under the Depository Act and it is monitored by the SEBI, Security Exchange Board of the India. The investor can keep his account in a freeze and the lock mode, and it can prevent the unexpected debit or credit, or both by giving the instruction to the DP. DP means depository participant. Now the third advantage towards the investor, easy transferable. That means the share are the property to transfer from one person to another person. So it's easy to transfer the share through the depository system. So first, efforts in filling transfer form and lodging the documents is eliminated. The documentations of the transfer takes more time. So through the depository system, this procedure has been removed, like filling the form of the transfer and lodging the document in front of the company. So that process has been removed. B part, also the stamp duty levied on the transfer of the physical shares is not applicable. So that means if you are transferring the share through the depository mode, depository system, through the electronical mode, so you don't need to pay the stamp duty on that. C part, processing time in the transfer of the security has been removed and the securities can be easily transferred in a short time period. Fourth point, update and intimation. So it is the one of the most important advantage towards the investor. The investor is provided with the status of holding the transaction by the DP and the occasionally by the depository too. That means all the updates and the intimation can be easily sent by the company to the investor, and the investor can aware about their securities knowledge. Fifth point, security against loan. So dematerialization securities are preferred by the bank to providing the loan to the investor against the securities. Sixth point, no concept of lots. This system of odd and even lots stand abolished has been removed totally. the market lots is one share for the dematerialized security. So there is only one concept. Through the dematerialization, share can be easily transferred. 7th point, nomination facilities. So through this system, individuals investor can avail of nomination facilities. This simplify the process in the event of the death of the investor. 8th point, automatic credit. Automatic credit means the account of the investor in the dematerialization automatically debit and credit in case of any changes initiated by the company which impact the securities. This is called corporate action. Few examples related to the actions are like related to the payments of dividend, issue of the bonus share, offering the right issue, and early redemption of the debenture, merger and acquisition. So there are so many steps can be taken easily by the company in the depository system. So this is the one of the advantage given by the depository system to the investor. Now we will read the advantage towards the company. So up to date information. So any information about the investor is provided by the depository through the depository system. Second point, reduction in cost and the effort. The cost and effort both has been reduced, and the involving timing in printing certificate and the distribution has been also reduced through the depository system. It is easy now to issue the new shares, bonus and the transfer. Third, better investor company relationship. The complaint arising out of loss of the certificate like signature differences, long lapse of time in executing the requested, it's substantially reduced. It's lead to better communication with the investor and increase goodwill for the company. So through the depository system, through the dematerialization, it has become easier for the company to maintain the communication with the investor. It may be a reason related to the signature differences, long lapse timing, to executing the duplicate certification, transfer of the certification, transmission of the certification. So all the communication, all the actions can be performed easily through the depository system. Point, international investment. So under this depository system, better and the quicker service can be provided by the company to attract the investor to invest more money. So what we have learned in this video we have learned about the importance of the depository first, and the second advantage of the depository system, where we discussed about the investor advantage as well as the advantage towards the company. So remaining topic from the lesson number 9 we will continue in our next video. Thank you for watching.